Hello everyone, hope you all are well. In today's video, we will see how to draw Shri Krishna mandala art in a unique way. So, if you are watching my videos first time, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so to get notified when I post something new and be a part of this creative family. I have taken an ivory sheet of dimensions 29 into 20 cm. Now, I am meeting the midpoints of all the sides so that I could get the center of the sheet. Now, I am marking a point 2 cm away from the center. Now, with the help of a compass, draw concentric circles. As I have taken radius of 2 cm for the inner circle, now moving to outer circles, I am just drawing these according to my design patterns. And that's why there is small gap between first and second circle, but larger gap in second and third circle. So just concentrate here and draw the circle just like I am drawing, and please be careful with the gaps. As you can see, I have drawn 11 concentric circles. And I am using protractor to mark points at 10-degree intervals, which makes 36 sections. Now, with help of a scale, meet the points we marked with center. Now moving to next part, that is drawing Shri Krishna. Here I am drawing a rough sketch. Now moving to next part, that is drawing design pattern and detailing. So I am filling first section with black. Now moving to second section, I am using single grid to draw a pattern and using 0.1 mm fine liner for detailing. Moving to third section, I provide the best viewing angle for you to understand what I am drawing, and I can proudly say that no one teaches mandala drawing with this much ease on entire YouTube platform. So please subscribe and be a part of this creative family. Again, I am filling black in section 4 and the empty space left in section 3. Moving to section 5. I suggest you to use pencil to draw the patterns for more accurate and precise designs, and it also decreases the chances of mistakes. Now moving to section 6. So here I am showing you the easiest way to draw a complicated mandala, and these mandala do not look like beginners level, but I try to keep everything simple and easy to understand, and you can also draw this using my techniques. Moving to the 7th section. Again, I suggest you to use pencil and focus on the detailing part so that you cannot get it harder to draw. Again filling 8th section with black because it gives a contrasting look and makes mandala attractive. Coming to 9th section. As you can see, I am not leaving any section unfilled because I want my artwork to look complicated, and this will give an attractive look. Moving to 10th section, I am showing every single detail and suggesting you the simplest way to draw it. So, if you like my tutorial, then please subscribe to the channel and comment down.
body's amazing.
Now moving to last part, that is detailing Shri Krishna. Here I am using 0.1 mm fine liner to outline the drawing and it makes sketch pop out from background.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain tonight. We gonna let it rain tonight. We gonna let it just like the sunrise.
I am using lemon yellow color to fill the circle. Now moving to my most favorite part, that is using pearls to give our mandala a rich and detailed look. It makes it more attractive.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn